This is the Union Railroad Station here in Kansas City. That's the Harvey House right there. And keep in mind, this structure's been here for over 100 years, about 106 to be exact. Harvey House was a restaurant for passengers. They could eat there, and they've almost at every single station across America. And beautiful structure. This is all limestone that you're seeing here on the walls. And you can see the big brickwork right there. Very similar, by the way, to Rome. Look at that roof right up in there. Again, very similar to Rome to find all this. And if you were to go to Rome back in the day, as far as the structure itself, it would look very similar to this as far as the limestone, which is pretty cool. And yeah, look at the woodwork. They still kept the benches. They're on the side of the building on the inside, which are really cool. But here's the Grand Hall right here. Look at this. That is truly amazing. Look at that. I mean, it's really like being in Rome. And if you look down here, in this section here, that's where all the benches used to go, right on here, and of course the other side as well, over here on this side. In the middle, that was for the walking, and getting obviously to each gate. 1, 2, 3, 4, I think it's about 5 doors, 5 or 6 doors for gates on each side. So a lot of history here. A lot of early on presidents went through here, including General Eisenhower, later on to become President Eisenhower. So very exciting to see this once again. I just never get tired of it. Very beautiful.